guys, my name is Nisha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day. You guys enjoy these kind of food related videos because I know I do a lot of fashion and beauty and stuff, but I don't really go into other categories much. But if you guys are interested in this kind of video, then do let me know in the comments down below, and that will just help me understand better. If I am editing, then those days I will probably be at home. Then this is what I eat in a day, and this is literally exactly what I do, guys. Obviously I don't eat the exact same thing every single day. I know that people get judged a lot for how they eat, what they eat and all those things. So that is one of the reasons why I was delaying this video for the longest time, but I just really wanted to put it out there. And without any further ado, let's get started.
So first thing in the morning, I like to have one of those drinks that you're supposed to have on an empty stomach with some warm water, and I'm having apple cider vinegar, even though I absolutely hate it, guys. But since I bought it, I'm going to finish this bottle, but after it's over, I'm going to definitely switch back to my aloe vera juice. Then after 30 to 45 minutes, I have 4 soaked almonds every single day without fail that have been soaking overnight. And along with that, I like to have a fruit, and it's mostly bananas because it just gives so much energy first thing in the morning. I just like to break down my breakfast. So again, after an hour, I'll have a cup of yogurt. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I'm obsessed with this brand of flavored yogurt, and I'm having the blueberry flavored one. Then again, after another hour, I'll have my actual breakfast. So I'll have 2 idlis and chutney. Majority of the days I do have idli and chutney, but sometimes I'll have something else too. Next, right now it's 2 p.m. and I'm going to just make myself 2 eggs. And even though it doesn't happen every day, most days I do try to have just some simple scrambled eggs with some salt, pepper and onions. Now after my scrambled eggs are done, I'm going to start assembling, and I like to assemble in this orange bowl. I have lunch in this orange bowl every single day because it just helps with portion control. Now instead of rice, I'm going to have millets, and they're high in protein and fiber. So if you're going to have like a smaller quantity, this will definitely keep you fuller for a longer time. Then I'm just going to have it with some dal, some veggies, whatever that has been made. Today there's beetroot, veggies that kind of looks like potatoes but they're not potatoes, and obviously the scrambled eggs that I made. Also I like to have some papad because I just need some crunchy element. Right now it's 5 p.m. and I'm heading out to the gym. So before I go to the gym, I always like to have some protein powder. So this is just straight up protein powder. There's no steroids, calories, carbs or anything like that, just protein powder. So I just put it in this mini blender cup with some just room temperature water, and then I just blend it up so that there are no chunky powder. It's all blended really nicely, and then I just drink it up and head to the gym. Now it's 7:45 p.m. I've come back from the gym, I've taken my shower, and I'm just really hungry because today was a nice PT session, so it was pretty intense. So here I have some boiled chana. Again, they're high in protein. Then I'm just mixing it up with some veggies like carrots, onions, cucumbers, with some chaat masala, amchur powder just to give it a little more taste, and some salt of course. And then I'm just going to mix it up, and honestly guys, it's ridiculous how yummy and chaat like this tastes, even though it's super healthy. So that just makes me very happy. So I'm just going to put that in a little bowl, and I'm just going to snack on it. And because I had such a late snack, like at 7:45 p.m., which is actually very close to my dinner time, which is 9 p.m., I was actually not hungry that day, so I completely skipped dinner. So at 10 p.m., I like to have my glass of green tea. So here I have some warm water, and then I'm just going to add my tea bag, and I'm going to enjoy my green tea. This is the only caffeine that I have, or that I prefer having. I don't like to have anything else. So without fail, every night I'll have a glass of green tea. I'll have a cup of green tea. Now because I skipped dinner, which doesn't happen every day honestly, but since I had such a late heavy snack, I had to skip dinner. But now it's 12:30 and I'm hungry, and I was shooting this video during Diwali week, and hence why my fridge is like loaded with a lot of sweet boxes. So I just decided to have one small little sweet snack. So here I'm just taking out this half a sweet that I had eaten the other day, and I'm just going to have the other half, and that's it guys. That is my day.
So guys, that brings us to the end of this what I eat in a day kind of video. I really hope you enjoyed this and found it a little different from my usual fashion related videos. If you guys want to see more videos towards food, like some easy, quick, healthy recipes that I personally have and I absolutely love them, if you guys would like to see a few of those, then do let me in the comments down below and maybe I'll try and make a video on that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment on this video. Also, there's a giveaway going on my previous videos. I'll link it down in the description box below so that you guys can go and enter. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, because I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!